Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Dalton Harris. And as you guys know, Dalton Harris is a Jamaican that is competing in the UK X Factor. And I'm going to read this article, and I'm also going to tell you guys how to vote if you're not actually in the UK, because if you're somewhere else and you want to vote and you want to support him, you can do so. So it says Jamaican Dalton Harris secured a place in the next week's semi-final of the X Factor UK televised talent show. Harris once again wowed the audience on Saturday with a brilliantly delivered rendition of Listen, originally recorded by American pop star Beyonce for the soundtrack of Dreamgirls. The studio recording of the song peaked at number 15 on iTunes singles chart in the UK. Harris has consistently charted with covers of the California Dreamin', Creep, and I Have Nothing over the past 3 weeks. He has also been the top X Factor contestant on this chart since the live performance began. Quite often, he is the only contestant who cracks the iTunes chart for the week. Harris is the 2010 winner of the local dance Digicel Rising Stars. On Sunday, Simon Cowell's girls team got a double blow as Bella Penfold and Sean Aiko were the two contestants sent home. Cowell, however, changed the rules and threw both of them a lifeline so that they will have a chance to participate in the X Factor live tour across the United Kingdom along with the top 6 finalists. In addition to Harris, the remaining contestants who have survived the acts were Danny Telly over Off Hours, Brendan Murray, Anthony Russell of the boys team, Scarlett Lee of the girls team, and Asia and Alea from the group. I'm sorry if I'm butchering these people's name, but Dalton Harris is who we are here to talk about and who we are here to support. He did a really good, amazing job. I actually watched the performance. He's doing his thing, okay? And my husband claimed that he has already been chosen for X Factor for him to be the winner. And I'm kind of getting that same idea that he has already been chosen to be the UK X Factor winner because he keeps killing it. I want to see some variety though from him. I want him to switch it up and not do so many ballads, sing something different, because I know he has the potential to do it and do so, but I don't know if he's trying or the judges are trying to like give him safety, security, and just give him what they know he can do best. But I want to see him do something else. They sing like a different type of song, because I know he's going to wow us with whatever song he sings. So as far as voting for him is concerned, you can download the X Factor app to your mobile device, whether you have an iPhone or an Android, and you can go on there and vote for him. If you're not in the UK, that's how you can vote for Dalton and support our Jamaican. Please go vote for him. Download the app, vote for him as much as you possibly can on the app. And to all my UK-based Jamaicans, vote, okay? We want him to win. We want him to succeed. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me if you're going to download the app and vote for him, because I sure will. And also, tell me, do you think that he needs to switch up the type of songs that he's doing and give us some variety? Or you think that he's trying to play it safe? And also, do you think that he has already been chosen to be the X Factor winner? Because he has been doing an amazing job. Okay, Comment all your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.